ದರ್ಶನಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಾಗಿ ಆಗಮಿಸಿರುವ ಅಯ್ಯಪ್ಪ ಭಕ್ತಾದಿಗಳ ಗಮನಕ್ಕೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಹಾಸನ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ಲಕ್ಕೇರಿಯಿಂದ ದರ್ಶನಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿರುವ ರಾಮಣ್ಣ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಭರತ್ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಲೋಕಣ್ಣ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ತಾವು ಸನ್ನಿಧಾನದ ಯಾವುದೇ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಶರಣಂ. ದರ್ಶನಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಾಗಿ ಆಗಮಿಸಿರುವ ಅಯ್ಯಪ್ಪ ಭಕ್ತಾದಿಗಳ ಗಮನಕ್ಕೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಹಾಸನ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ಲಕ್ಕೇರಿಯಿಂದ ದರ್ಶನಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿರುವ ರಾಮಣ್ಣ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಭರತ್ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಲೋಕಣ್ಣ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ತಾವು ಸನ್ನಿಧಾನದ ಯಾವುದೇ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಶರಣಂ. ದರ್ಶನಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಾಗಿ ಆಗಮಿಸಿರುವ ಅಯ್ಯಪ್ಪ ಭಕ್ತಾದಿಗಳ ಗಮನಕ್ಕೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಹಾಸನ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ಲಕ್ಕೇರಿಯಿಂದ ದರ್ಶನಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿರುವ ರಾಮಣ್ಣ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಭರತ್ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಲೋಕಣ್ಣ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ತಾವು ಸನ್ನಿಧಾನದ ಯಾವುದೇ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ
Hello, my name is Akash. I am from Telangana, Hyderabad. My experience was pretty decent, and I would thank the Kerala police for maintaining such a high level security, and I request them to keep more forces around the stalls where so many people are been waiting. They were fighting, but at the end of the day it was so good. I request the Kerala government to keep more hygiene washrooms too for women who are in the late 50s. That's it. Everything was pretty decent. I'm pretty happy because it's been my 7th or 8th time roughly. This was the best time ever I've been like this close to the God.
நான் ராஜசேகரன் பேர், சேலத்துலேருந்து வரேன், தமிழ்நாடு. நான் ரெகுலராக வந்துட்டு தான் இருக்கேன். ஸோ எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் இஸ் ஸோ குட், நோ ப்ராப்ளம். நான் இப்போ ஒரு 3 years வந்துட்டுருக்கேன். நல்லா இருக்கு, வெரி குட், நல்லா இருக்கு. இப்போ அரேஞ்ச்மெண்ட்ஸும் ஓகே, ഒന്നും പ്രോബ്ലം നല്ല.
ഞാൻ രഞ്ജിത്ത് കാസർഗോഡ് വരുന്നു. വൃശ്ചികത്തിന് ആദ്യമായിട്ടാണ് ഞാൻ വരുന്നത്. അതിൻ്റെതായ സന്തോഷം അയ്യപ്പൻ്റെ അനുഗ്രഹം ഉണ്ടെന്ന് വിചാരിക്കും. ഞാൻ 10 വർഷത്തോളം. ഇപ്രാവശ്യം വൃശ്ചികം ഒന്നിന് ഇപ്പോൾ ഭയങ്കര ആളായിരുന്നു. സാധാരണ ഇങ്ങനെ ഉണ്ടാവാറുണ്ട്.
Yeah, happiness means all the way we are coming here to see Ayyappa, and after seeing Ayyappa, yes, we are very much happy. But only thing is we are struggling a lot, so that we need to streamline.
Hi, my name is Krishna and I am coming from Tamil Nadu. So this is my very first time I came to Sabarimala. But what I have experienced is still the crowd has to be managed very properly. People are lagging, people are stucking over there. But police are just like looking, but they are not doing anything. So the crowd management should be better to avoid crowd and long queues and all. So this has to be done. To be at Sabarimala the first time, Swami Sharanam, it's a very wonderful experience I got. A very wonderful vibe in Kerala. Only the crowd management has to be better. It's everything good.
మేము ఆంధ్ర నుంచి వచ్చామండి. గత 15 సంవత్సరాల నుంచి వస్తున్నాం మేము. కానీ ఈ మొదటి రోజు గుడి ఓపెనింగ్ రోజుకు ఇంత జనం రావడం అనేది రికార్డు బ్రేక్ లో ఉంది. రికార్డు బ్రేక్ అయినా జనాన్ని కొంచెం పిల్లలతో వచ్చాం. ఈ పిల్లల ఇబ్బంది పోలీస్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ మాత్రం ఏమాత్రం ప్రజలు కట్టుబాటు చేయలేకపోయారు. అది మాత్రం మాకు బాధగా ఉంది. మిగతా అంతా వెరీ గుడ్.
My name is Devika Reddy and I have my own tours, Sri Vishwa Tours. So we are all of us, we are 40 members. So we are coming from Bangalore. And it was a very good experience. We got a very big Abhishekam and all we saw, and it's God blessings, really nice. We enjoyed. It's really nice. Amazing. There was no crowd, no pushing, nothing for us today. We all three were there. Really nice. Wonderful. All that 18 steps, golden steps and all we went. All the police all supported us also. Nice. It's nice.
Swami Saranam. I am Venkat from Nellore, Andhra Pradesh. I am visiting this Sabarimala since 20 years. My family and then all my friends are devotees of Swami Ayyappa. The last 20 years we have experienced a lot, very good, and it is the prosperity and all. But this year it is a completely mischief. It's the arrangements of the discipline and then the way the people are arranging the queue and all, it's completely miserable. I didn't see the proper sanitation part also. A lot of the investments are going on and the devotees are also increasing the day to day. But little bit worry, it's how the government is taking this thing. Government have a lot of opportunity to develop this in this area. Many people are suffer a lot. Swami? Happiness. Yeah, see, after facing all these struggles, after seeing the God, the climbing the 18 steps, it's a completely, we can't say anything, it's blessed. We are really blessed. We'll continue. The hope Lord Ayyappa has to give a lot of power and energy to the board and the government to develop, to arrange a lot of things to the pilgrims. That's enough. Thank you. Swami Saranam Ayyappa.
So Prasad, I am from Hyderabad. It is good to hear. When from the last 2 years I am coming. My Swami is completed 18 years by this year. So it is good, and but accommodations are need to be improved here. That's it. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, it is very good to have feel. Very good to feel. Yeah, that's it.
Hey, hi. I'm Nirmal Kumar P. Coming from Tamil Nadu, Tiruchirappalli. This is the 18th time I'm coming for Sabarimala Yatra. As a devotee, here are all the facilities good. And as a devotee, I'm looking for some other facilities like biscuits or some snacks if they are providing for everybody. That will be good for the devotees who are coming here. Apart from that, like all the water facilities and everything is good. Thanks for the time. And those who are coming to here have a support from Ayyappa, and Ayyappa will bless you always. God bless you. Thank you.
ನಿರ್ಭೀತ, ನಿಷ್ಪಕ್ಷಪಾತ, ವಿಶ್ವಾಸಾರ್ಹ ಸುದ್ದಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಹೆಸರಾಗಿರುವಂತ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ 18 ಕನ್ನಡ ಈಗ ಆಪ್ನಲ್ಲೂ ಲಭ್ಯವಿದೆ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತ QR ಕೋಡ್ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಆಪ್ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಮರಿಬೇಡಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬೆಂಬಲ ಹೀಗೆ ಸದಾ ನಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗಿರಲಿ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.